This video made possible by Thunderkiss Northwest. Tactical Beardo approved. It is a rainy day at American Mills and Broken Home 4 for day 2. We actually took 4 routes to get here because everything was completely flooded. So we finally made it here. We are a little bit late, so going to gear up really quickly so we can get on the field and get a good at least 4 hours of playtime before the day is over. Just wrapped up the last day at American Mills and Broken Home 4. As you can see, I got super wet and super muddy. I crawled on the ground in the mud and went through like knee-deep water, but it was freaking awesome. I had a blast. One thing American Milson's super good at is always having like really cool final battles that push everyone together. So we had an awesome final battle, and now getting ready to go to the raffle. Hey.
This is the raffle.
Gear cleaning.
Look at my boxers.
Can't see them. Oh.
Yeah, check your pockets.
Oh, my kill cards! I think my mom makes her own laundry soap. So I don't know what to do. I don't know how to wash my clothes.
Well, here anyway.
Yeah, I know how to wash them in real, in real.
And outside of Kansas life.
Outside of the farm. Okay, I have to go ask my mommy how to wash my clothes. Welcome to Unicorn Diaries Kansas edition. We're at my parents' house in Cherryvale, Kansas. And we're gonna go for a little spin on their little ATV Landmaster thing. Here we go.
Oops. Ready?
Ready. I'm glad you still have your safety glasses on.
You gotta be safe.
You just helped my dad cut down a tree.
Hang on.
It's off-roading time.
Look at all the amphibs that we're collecting. We're falling. Whoa! That was a close one.
You almost fell in the creek.
Almost fell in the creek. Take my hand!
I can't, it's too far!
What if I would have turned it on near the engine?
You know, I get caught on barbed wire.
Yeah.
That would be bad.
There's Leah's dad.
There's my dad.
In the plane, hang on, let me zoom in. There it is. He's the yellow baron.
Let's go for a plane ride now.
So I just got done flying with Leah's dad, and now, what are we gonna go do?
We're going to go have dinner with some of my high school friends in Cherryvale, and then go out for drinks. Small town America. Yay!
I'm having fun. Drove around in a Landmaster, and then flew in a plane. He let me fly too. That was awesome. So, and we might go up tomorrow. So maybe more flying footage.